Your tire's peeing.
Public.
As you can see, we've got some problems going on with the rock buggy. It's got a sidewall that's cut in one of the tires, and they're pretty wore out. So we're gonna go ahead and change those right now today. All right, I guess let's throw a jack under it. We'll get the back ones off. They're not full of water. They're easy to fix. The front ones, they're heavy. We'll take the rear ones off and then change them. We'll get the front ones swapped out, and I'll show you guys how to fill them up with water. We may have to get us a new battery.
Yeah, these tires have seen better days.
They got, I mean, there's still plenty of tread, but it cut a sidewall. It's got a big old gnarly gash in it somewhere, and it...
I think it's on the front. No?
Yeah, it leaks. It goes flat all the time. So we're gonna go ahead and just swap these out. We'll save these for spares. We may have to put a tube in it at some point and run it.
That's your crack right there.
Yeah, it's one of them, yep. Oh, look at that one. It's clear full of water from getting rained on. All right, let's get one that's not full of water. All right, what you're looking at here, guys, is a BFG red label. This is a sticky tire, 42 inch. These things are awesome. They hook like nothing else at Sand Hollow. That's primarily where we will, so that's a tire we're after. We're gonna go ahead and start swapping these things out. The front ones will fill 3/4 of the way full of water. That way when you're climbing a ledge and you get your front tires over it, that weight will pull you up over the top. So we're showing you a little comparison here. This is one of the new BFG 40-inch tires, and this is a BFG 42. Look at that. BFG stepping their game up. That 40, that's for real.
It's for real 40.
Yeah, it's gonna look good on that truck.
Yeah.
So, let's break the bead on it.
This is how you tell when she gets some new tires.
Roll that in here. Let's
when it's standing up on
let's
its
break
own.
the bead.
That means it's good. It's nice and soft compound.
Yeah.
Bang.
Take some bolts out. They gonna be able to spin them?
I don't know. I don't know if it'll do a 42 or not.
Hey, you gotta do it. You gotta do
9/16.
it. You gotta hit that Guido or whatever he says. Beat stop.
Beat stop.
Sweet.
Cool. Let's see if this works. .42 is pretty much all she wants. There you go.
One tire down. Just fast.
Is it?
You can just put your hand right in that stuff. They fit.
Well, there's one down. Nope.
Not quite. Hear it.
Thinking about it. Yeah.
Gosh, why? Every time.
All right, let's go slap one of these on.
Dude, it's taller than the trash can.
Yeah, big tire. Only thing that sucks about these tires, putting them on. They're heavy.
Let's see this. That wasn't bad. They do.
All right, the flat tire's fixed. The other one's off the ground. We might as well just change it right now too.
Dude, you can't pee here.
Your tire's peeing.
Public.
That's gonna take a while, so we'll get that process started while we're doing the other one.
I didn't know it was filled with water.
Yep. Make them crawl. Keeps them from tipping upside down.
See, Grandma, we put that in the Camry. She'll hook better and you can launch that thing. Straight up. Wah, pop, pop.
You're so helpful, child.
Another one.
Another one bites the dust. I'm gonna have to leave here before long.
You get right by the camera when you walk past. You're like that episode in Practical Jokers when they made the dude
Wash my hands.
get right in front of the camera. Number two.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be fun. This tire's not good, so I poked a hole right here in it, and then it leaks out of that hole right there. Take it over there. I'm gonna take this chance to tell you about a pretty cool product we've discovered. If you guys own a business, ship a lot of stuff, it's called ShipStation. It's gonna help you out, help you find the best deals to ship your stuff. And it's super easy, which I can appreciate.
ShipStation is the #1 shipping software for growing businesses and your complete fulfillment command center. ShipStation brings all your orders together in one place, anywhere you sell. ShipStation compares rates across all major global carriers. 1 million businesses have trusted ShipStation, including Fab Rats. ShipStation is the smarter way to ship every time.
So go try ShipStation free for 60 days with full access to all the features. 60 days is going to give you guys plenty of time to figure out exactly how much you're saving on every shipment. There's no credit card needed. Go to ShipStation.com and use the code FABRATS to get 60 days for free. That's ShipStation.com and use the code FABRATS to get yourself 60 days for free.
Is it still heavy?
No, Jace.
No, it's
It's
light.
not. It's really light.
It's still a quarter full of water. I think you tighten that one, it pulls it in, and then you tighten that one and it pushes the bead off. It's a new tool I got. I got it to go on the tow truck. We're gonna see if it works.
Is it cooked?
These tires have seen better days. We'll figure out how to run this thing real quick. Okay. So apparently you're supposed to put all of it under there.
I'm actually pretty impressed.
Dolling up on me. Ooh, she's seized up tight. We're gonna have to push that out, take it out of there, and
Put a new bolt in it.
put a new bolt. Well, I don't feel like I got my money's worth out of that purchase. It worked really good when it was working.
It did the job.
It really did the job.
So they came with shiny bolts. I have all the bolts that we.
Alright, Lane. Let's see if you're a bad mofo. Pick that tire up and just throw it on it. Well, it's got water in it, but you'll be an extra bad. Close.
Close.
That was close.
Pretty damn good.
That was way better than I shouldn't have doubted you. Yahtzee. Will you jump?
Every single time.
I'm gonna step back.
Jump.
I still jumped.
You tried to get away from it. There you go. You got him. That little tool should put water in these.
This is what's going on right now. They're filling the tires full of water. That's what's happening right now. Tom can explain why.
So it actually helps the buggy when you're going up something. It helps the front bite, and then it also helps them from not flipping over backwards quite as well, or quite as bad everywhere. And it it actually creates a lower center of gravity for the overall buggy, so they don't want to tip over as bad either. But just the fronts.
Get her full.
Yep, I'm fixing to take a bath. So what I'll do is I'll let it down until the water stops coming out, so I get air at 3/4, which is about where that valve core is. Then I'll just screw the valve core back in it. That's it.
Can you still check the air pressure in them?
Sure.
With the tool? How much air we got?
4.5 pounds.
8. It's pretty darn close. Pretty perfect, actually. Last tires going together.
Yep. One more to get water in it, and then we're trail ready.
You ready?
Yep. Give her the onion.
Oh, we got grandma controlling it. Good.
Good.
Now she'll collect water. And we're tired.
We're on it.
Tires are tired.
Oh, close hose up.
Be new boot goofing for it.
New boot goofing. Oh!
New bib Giffen.
Later that day.
All right, we're going out of the shop now. I've got Graydon with me. We're in the old Dakota because somebody's stuck, and that's who you call. Is Mr. Reliable right here. So we're gonna go, they say it's a Peekaboo Trail. It's a Toyota Camry that went down a sand road. We're gonna head out and see if we can find him and get him unstuck. We're about a quarter of the way there. We're gonna stop into Chevron, grab ourselves a nice bev, and clean the window because I currently can't see out of it. Bev's acquired, we got some Mambas. Window looks great. We will boost launch out of here with all the 7 horsepower that I have. We'll go find this Camry. Yep. Chris, and he's in a blue shirt. All right, we've made it here. Now we're looking for Chris in a blue shirt. I see Chris. It's a blue shirt. Are you Chris?
That's me.
We are here.
How's it going?
It's going. Jake.
Nice to meet you.
So you're stuck.
Yeah, we're
Just down the way.
Right in the back, boys. This kind of hurts.
You know, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes.
Found it.
We found the car. We're gonna go. Oh yeah. She is stuck.
very.
Get him. Let me look on Onx and see if our best tactic is to go back up out or backing around. Backing around might be easier. Well, that hill is a nightmare in the sand. But now the fun part is to find a hook point to get out of here with. Yeah. So with this car, there's no hook point on it, which is kind of dumb, but happens. So Graydon's a bulldozer today.
Whoever designed this is kind of dumb.
Oh, keep digging.
You keep digging!
I'm looking at the same place. Not the axle, but the A-arm. But I think I can pull you down enough, and then we can. You should be able to drive. I took a minivan all the way to the beach boot right here. But that was a minivan I didn't care about, and I was bombing every bump thing.
You were going fast to make it through.
Yep. Yeah, that'll be. There we go. All right, I think we got a good hook point. I think we're hooked up. It shouldn't take much of a pull to pop you out of this, and then it's just gonna be us cruising. We might have to go a little quicker in some places. We should go down this a little ways, and then there's a T that goes back that way. Don't run over the rope. That'll be the main thing. There's some of these rutted out places where you'll bottom out and I'll drag you across it.
Yeah.
All right, we're tight. Yeah, that looks good.
We're sending it.
broke the ropes off.
Oh.
Yeah, we broke the rope.
It broke the rope?
I think so. Oh yeah.
Yeah, the old decoder's blown up, but it's alright. Did it break it?
Yeah, she's in half.
Hey, we made it though. I think this is the good part. Sorry about the smoke. Yeah, that done did broke that. Let me turn your wheel that way. This way. There we go. Completely shredded this thing. Crazy. But I'll hop up out of your way and then I'll follow you all the way out. Keep some momentum though.
Yeah, I think you blew a head gasket. She's leaking water. Or oil.
Yeah. But hey, we got him out. We'll go get out of the way. She's hot. Like really hot.
Yeah.
But...
Yeah, I think the decoder's motor is gonna be done in a minute.
Oh, we're good. It just got hot, started smoking. It does that. See, it's not even smoking anymore.
Oh, they didn't make it far.
Ah, dang it. We're right here. Super close. So close. We'll look on again. The road is right there. We're like 45 yards from the road. But I wonder if you can back it up a little. I think you got it. I'm gonna move. Just bump it back and forth till it breaks and then just go. Is traction control off? Okay, I'll move out of your way. We'll see if we can bump it back and forth. There we go. There we go.
We made it. We hope. We made it!
Look at that. That was good.
Except for burning up your car.
Ah, it's fine. It was just warm.
All right, well, we'll not be doing that one again.
And if you are, give us a call. We'll come pull you back out.
Okay, sounds fair.
Well, thank you.
Thank you much.
Yep. We'll go back to the shop.
Okay, have a good one, guys.
You
See
too.
ya.
Well, got him out. Back to the main road. The old decoder. Did it again. It started smoking there for a little bit. Kind of scared me, but the temp was hot, but not too hot. So we were good still. But it does that on occasion. She does need some work. So if you guys want to see this in another episode, not doing a recovery, getting fixed up, I have a bunch of parts for it. Go in the comments and convince my dad to let us start working on this girl.
I think we should.
We got him out.